Welcome to Carperformance. I'm going to show you our latest product. If you have wired Carplay, wired Android Auto, we can make it wireless, so you don't need to connect anything at all to the USB. Here is the gadget. Just connect this one to the USB port, then we get wireless Carplay or wireless Android Auto. We have connected to this car that has Carplay, Android Auto wired. Just gonna go inside. Once you have connected, the first time you need to connect the Bluetooth from your phone to the Bluetooth of this device. It will tell you exactly how you do it when you press. This is Android Auto. We're gonna show you Carplay now, and this is the only thing that you need to do. Then you just press here. Here you can say we got, here is the phone. You can see wireless Carplay. Extremely easy to use.
Vem vill du ringa till?
You don't need to connect anything, just connect the Bluetooth and then you're good to go. So once you have connected that, you can keep the phone in the pocket. This screen will come up. You just press wireless Carplay if you have iPhone. If you have Android Auto, you press that. I'm gonna show you the Android Auto now. We're just gonna disable the Bluetooth on the iPhone here and connect. This is the Android phone. Just gonna connect that to the system. You're gonna see here now it's connected. Android Auto, it will connect automatically. Just keep your phone in the pocket and then you will have, it's extremely easy. There we have Android Auto, wireless. So perfect for you that has wireless Carplay, wired Carplay or wired Android Auto and want to make that wireless. Just buy that gadget and then you're good to go. Extremely easy. You can see we got some here. Got the Bluetooth settings. Well, once you have connected Bluetooth, you just press. If you have iPhone, you press that. If you have Android, you just press that. Perfect. We'll have this on our website extremely soon. Thank you.